The government will invest 3.5 billion shillings in various tea factories in Kenya in a bid to enhance their production. Agriculture Principal Secretary Dr. Kiprono Rono says the move will see operational effectiveness implemented as part of the ongoing reforms to ensure that farmers enjoy more earnings from their produce.
Kenya is currently undertaking reforms in its tea industry, aiming to improve farmer earnings and boost their sector's overall performance. These reforms include legislative changes, infrastructure upgrades, and efforts to enhance direct market access for farmers.
And I want to assure the farmers that the government is working round the clock to make sure that this particular tea crop get the best market so that our farmers get the best honey.
According to Dr. Rono, the government also planned to reduce taxes affecting tea, as well as waive levies on packaging materials, which is part of value addition measures.
So among the reforms we have put is that in the finance bill, we have made sure that all the taxes which are affecting tea are scaled down, and also the packaging material, which has been a big challenge, we have removed the levies.
Speaking in Naivasha, the PS added that the country will in October this year host an international conference on tea aimed at unlocking more markets for local produce. According to the PS, the reforms were also targeting other value chains including coffee, pyrethrum, avocado and sugar. Alanauko, Prime Edition.